IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores.
Is there any beautiful scenery in your hometown?
Band 5. Answer.
Yes, there is. My hometown has some beautiful scenery, especially near the river and the hills. Many people go there to relax and take photos.
Why is this a Band 5?
Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas with limited development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary, such as beautiful, river, and hills. Grammar. Mostly simple sentence structures. Pronunciation. Generally understandable with some errors. Typical of a Band 5. Answers the question but lacks detail and variety.
Band 7.5. Answer.
Yes, definitely. My hometown is surrounded by attractive natural scenery, including rolling hills and a small river that runs through the area. I particularly enjoy visiting these places because they're peaceful and provide a great escape from the busy parts of town.
Why is this a Band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence. Ideas are developed clearly and logically. Lexical resource. Uses a wider range of vocabulary, such as surrounded, rolling hills, and escape. Grammar. Good variety of sentence structures with few mistakes. Pronunciation. Clear and easy to understand. Typical of a Band 7.5. Well-developed response with natural vocabulary and grammar.
Band 9. Answer.
Absolutely. One of the things I appreciate most about my hometown is its picturesque landscape. There are lush green hills, scenic walking trails, and a river that reflects the surrounding countryside beautifully, especially at sunset. Whenever I spend time there, I feel refreshed because the environment is both tranquil and visually stunning.
Why is this a Band 9?
Fluency and coherence. Effortless flow with fully developed ideas. Lexical resource. Sophisticated vocabulary, such as picturesque, lush, scenic, tranquil, and visually stunning. Grammar. Wide range of accurate and flexible structures. Pronunciation. Natural stress, rhythm, and intonation. Typical of a Band 9. Highly natural, precise, and engaging response with excellent language control.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.